Hello, good day to our lecturer, Mr. Lam. Today, me and my partner will present on the house wiring installation procedure. My name is Ainur Hasika binti Johari, and together with my partner Nur Aina Najwa binti Nur Erwan, we will go through step by step how to install wiring at house. First step, the wireman must study the electrical blueprint and layout. The wireman use architectural drawings to identify the placement of switches, sockets, and distribution board. If the wireman misinterprets the symbol, it will lead to incorrect placement of outlets and circuit overloading. Next, shut off the main power supply and the main isolation switch and apply logout and tagout procedure. Use a digital multimeter and a safety lock. Reminder, working on a leaf circuit creates a severe risk of electrocution. Next step, marks the exact position for switches, sockets, and light fixture on the wall. The tools required are a measuring tape, spirit level, and chalk. Reminder, inaccurate marking leads to misaligned fixture and extra structural rework. Installed directly onto the wall surface using saddle and screw. This surface-mounted installation technique makes maintenance easier and prevents damage to the original wall structure. Next, after the conduits are installed, junction boxes are mounted at the cable intersection points. These boxes protect the wire connection and make it easier to connect circuit to switches and sockets.
Hi, my name is Nur Aina Najwa, and I will continue with next step, which is step 6. Pull electrical cable through the conduit. Two wiremen pull electrical cable through the conduit. One feed the wire while the others pull using a fish tape and cable lubricant. Applying exercise pulling force can tear the cable insulation, creating a hidden short circuit hazard. Next, step 7. Connect cable to the consumer unit distribution board. The certified chargeman connect the cable to the consumer unit. The chargeman use insulated screwdriver and plier to attach miniature circuit breaker MCB and radial current circuit breaker RCCB. Loose terminal connections cause high electric resistance and overheating, leading to the fire. After that, step 8. Terminate wire at switches, socket, and point. The wireman terminate wire at socket outlet, light switches, and ceiling point. The wireman use wire stripe and percussion screwdriver, reversing the polarity by swiping live and natural wire, create an immediate shock hazard for user. Last but not least, step 9. Conduct insulation resistance and continuous test. The inspector conduct insulation resistance and continuous test. The inspector operates an insulation resistance tester and a digital multimeter. Skipping this testing fast means failing to detect dangerous short circuit before energizing the house. And lastly, step 10. Energize the system and test functionality. The wireman energize the system and test all function outlets. The wireman use a socket tester and voltage detector. Turning on the power without clear communication can shock team members who are still making final adjustment. Now I want to present about safety precaution and warnings. We have 6 safety precaution and warnings. During the entire installation, workers must adhere to this safety rule. Firstly, always treat wire as live until tested with a calibrated voltage meter. Secondly, apply logout or tagout device on the main isolator to prevent accidental switching. Next, wear full personal protective equipment (PPE). including insulated glove, safety boot, and eye protection. After that, do not overload conduit. Strictly maintain the maximum 14% cable fill capacity. Last but not least, follow standard color code regulation: brown for light, blue for natural, and green or yellow for earth. Lastly, never operate electrical equipment in wet or damp environment. In conclusion, executing a house wiring installation requires strict adherence to technical steps, standard active procedure, and safety compliance. By following these steps, we ensure both the safety of the installation crew and the long-term reliability of the building electrical system. Thank you for listening.
I just had to let you know you're